she is the vice chair. Morgan has also been recognized nationally for her leadership. She is a board member of the Progressive States Network, and she was recognized by the National Conference of State Legislators as a future healthcare leader, the future being now, of course. To Morgan's left is Ella Hushagen, who is a health policy analyst with Families USA, which is, as many of you know, is a premier and an excellent national advocate for healthcare issues. Ella has extensive experience in health insurance matters. Before joining Families USA, she was a health insurance specialist at the Center for Healthcare Rights in Los Angeles. To her left is John Arensmeyer, who is the CEO and founder of the Small Business Majority, which advocates in states and across the country on behalf of small business interests. Most recently, they've been mobilizing small businesses to support comprehensive reform in California. And lastly is Robin Baker, a senior policy analyst at the Bell Policy Center, where she has applied more than 15 years of experience advancing and advocating for issues important to all Coloradans, including Tabor, affordable housing, healthcare, minority and gender issues. And lastly, before I turn it over to Morgan, I just want to recognize some of the other legislators who are in the room, including Representative Mark Ferrandino, who I understand is the newest member of the state legislature.
You want to stand up, you guys, when you're getting introduced?
Representative Debbie Benefield, Representative Jim Kerr, Representative Sherilyn Peniston, and Representative Jean Labuda. And Aurora City Councilwoman Molly Markert.
And Representative Sarah Ghilardi.
And Representative Sarah Ghilardi. Thank you, Morgan.
Question. Where's the ASL interpreter?
I apologize, but I don't believe we have an interpreter today.
I asked. No response again.
I will check into that and get back to you on that. I apologize about that.
One quick comment after this. We're doing video, and I can make arrangements afterwards to also make sure it's revised with closed caption to at least make the forum available afterwards.
That's why I'm sitting here, so I can attempt to lip read.
Do you want to go in?
Well, thank you, Adam, for the introduction on what's there. I want to thank you for coming out. And we have also with us Senator Deanna Hanna, who I see looking at me right now. So my apologies, Senator, for not having introduced you earlier. Thank you for joining us. I'm opening up the panel discussion on healthcare really from the perspective of why we're here. And each of us are going to take on a slightly different angle. But in order to really get started, I know we've got kind of a long room, which is hard to make some eye contact with. But I just wanted to ask you folks some questions here and get a sense of your input. Out of those of you who are here now, by a show of hands, how many of you think our current healthcare system is working well in Colorado? 2 people. 2? And how many of you in this room are either